Investing. It's a word that evokes images of wealth, security, and a comfortable future. But the path to successful investing isn't always clear. Many are lured by the fast-paced world of day trading, hoping to strike it rich quickly. However, a more reliable, time-tested approach exists: long-term investing. This strategy focuses on building wealth gradually, riding out market fluctuations, and reaping the rewards of compound growth. Long-term investing is like planting a seed and nurturing it into a mighty oak. It takes time, patience, and a bit of faith. You're not looking for quick gains, but for sustainable growth over years, even decades. This approach allows you to participate in the overall growth of the economy, benefiting from the rising tide that lifts all boats. Day trading, on the other hand, is a different beast altogether. It's the world of fast-paced transactions, constant monitoring, and high-risk gambles. Day traders aim to capitalize on minute-by-minute price fluctuations, hoping to buy low and sell high within the same trading day. It's a world of adrenaline and instant gratification, but it also comes with significant risks. Long-term investing is like climbing a mountain. It requires patience, perseverance, and a clear vision of the summit. You won't reach the top overnight, but with each step, you get closer to your goal. The journey might be challenging at times, but the view from the top is worth the effort. It's about focusing on the long-term reward, not the immediate gratification. Day trading, on the other hand, is like playing a high-stakes poker game. You're betting on short-term price movements, hoping to outsmart the market and make a quick buck. It's a game of skill, but it's also a game of chance. Even the most experienced players can lose big, and the house always has an edge. Long-term investing and day trading represent two fundamentally different approaches to wealth creation. One is a marathon, the other a sprint. One emphasizes patience and discipline, the other speed and agility. One is about building wealth steadily over time, the other about chasing quick profits. Long-term investors are like gardeners, carefully cultivating their portfolios over time. Compounding is the cornerstone of long-term investing success. It's the snowball effect in action, where your initial investment generates earnings, and those earnings generate even more earnings, creating a powerful cycle of growth. Think of it as a money-making machine that works tirelessly for you, 24/7, even while you sleep. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Time is your greatest ally in the world of investing. Dividend reinvestment is like adding rocket fuel to the snowball of compounding. When you reinvest your dividends, you're buying more shares of the company, which in turn generates even more dividends. It's a powerful strategy that can supercharge your returns. Over the long term, the impact of dividend reinvestment can be dramatic. Long-term investors understand that true wealth is built over time, not overnight. They focus on the long-term potential of their investments, not on short-term market fluctuations. Dividend-paying stocks are particularly attractive to long-term investors. They provide a steady stream of income which can be reinvested to accelerate growth or used to cover expenses. While day traders chase short-term gains, long-term investors focus on building a solid foundation for their financial future. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is a staunch advocate of the buy-and-hold strategy. He's built his immense fortune by investing in solid companies and holding on to them for the long haul. His philosophy is simple: find great businesses, buy them at a reasonable price, and let time work its magic. Buffett famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This quote encapsulates his investment philosophy perfectly. Patience is a critical virtue for long-term investors. The market is a fickle beast with its ups and downs. There will be times when your investments decline in value, when the market seems to be against you. But if you're patient and disciplined, you can ride out the storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Patience allows you to capitalize on the power of compounding. Building wealth through long-term investing is like constructing a fortress. It takes time, effort, and a solid foundation. Diversification is a key component of a strong investment fortress. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. Regular contributions are like adding more bricks to your fortress, strengthening its walls and making it more impenetrable. Choosing the right stocks is like selecting the finest ingredients for a gourmet meal. You wouldn't just throw anything into the pot, you'd carefully choose each item, ensuring that it contributes to the overall flavor and quality of the dish. Similarly, selecting the right stocks requires careful consideration and research. Start by understanding your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? What level of risk are you comfortable with? These questions will guide your investment choices and help you determine the appropriate asset allocation for your portfolio. It's like choosing a recipe based on your dietary preferences and cooking skills. Research is essential when selecting investments. Don't just rely on tips or rumors. Take the time to learn about the companies you're considering. Look at their financial statements, understand their business model, and assess their competitive landscape. It's like studying the recipe before you start cooking, ensuring that you understand the ingredients and the process. Consider factors such as a company's earnings growth, revenue trends, and debt levels. Look for companies with a strong track record of profitability and a sustainable competitive advantage. These are the companies that are most likely to thrive over the long term. It's like choosing ingredients that are fresh, high quality, and in season. Diversification is a cornerstone of prudent investing. It's about spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies. This helps reduce risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. It's like building a house with a strong foundation and sturdy walls, ensuring that it can withstand storms and earthquakes. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If you drop the basket, all your eggs will break. Similarly, if you invest all your money in a single stock or sector, a downturn in that area could wipe out a significant portion of your portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate this risk by spreading your investments across different areas. Diversification doesn't just mean owning different stocks. It also means investing in different asset classes such as bonds, real estate, and commodities. Each asset class has its own risk and return characteristics, and by diversifying across different asset classes, you can create a more balanced and resilient portfolio. Diversification also extends to geographic regions. Don't limit your investments to your home country. Consider investing in international markets to gain exposure to different economies and currencies. This can help further reduce risk and enhance your portfolio's growth potential. It's like building a house with different materials, ensuring that it can withstand a variety of weather conditions. Section 3. Weathering the storms. Patience in market downturns. Market downturns are inevitable. The stock market is like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. There will be times when your investments decline in value, when the market seems to be against you. But if you're patient and disciplined, you can ride out the storms and emerge stronger on the other side. When the market takes a dive, it's natural to feel anxious or even panicked. You might be tempted to sell your investments and cut your losses. But remember, long-term investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Market downturns are a normal part of the cycle, and they present opportunities to buy quality stocks at discounted prices. Patience is crucial during market downturns. Resist the urge to make emotional decisions. Stick to your investment strategy and focus on the long-term potential of your portfolio. It's like staying on the roller coaster even when it takes a steep drop, knowing that the ride will eventually level out and continue its upward trajectory. View market downturns as opportunities to buy low. When stock prices fall, you can acquire more shares of quality companies at a lower cost. This can significantly enhance your long-term returns. It's like buying groceries on sale. You're getting the same quality products at a lower price. Section 1. Value over price. A long-term perspective. In long-term investing, value trumps price. Think of it like buying a house. You consider the size, location, and condition, not just the listing price. Similarly, evaluate a stock's underlying value, not just its market price. Imagine two houses with the same price. One is a fixer-upper, the other is well-maintained. Clearly, the second house offers more value. The same principle applies to stocks. A lower price doesn't mean a better investment. Market prices fluctuate, driven by news and speculation, but a company's intrinsic value is more stable. Like a house's foundation, it remains solid. Long-term investors focus on value, not price. Section 2. Understanding intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the true worth of a company, based on its fundamentals. It's like assessing the value of a piece of jewelry. You'd consider the quality of the metal and the craftsmanship. Similarly, determining a company's intrinsic value requires analysis. Factors include assets, earnings, cash flow, and growth potential. These elements determine its long-term sustainability and profitability. Focusing solely on a stock's price can lead to poor investment decisions. It's like buying a car based solely on its color and ignoring its mechanical condition. You might end up with a flashy car that breaks down constantly. Similarly, chasing cheap stocks without considering their underlying value can lead to disappointing returns. Price volatility can be distracting and emotionally draining. The market can swing wildly in the short term, driven by news, speculation, and emotional trading. If you're fixated on price, you're likely to get caught up in the market's roller coaster ride, making impulsive decisions based on fear and greed. Price fixation can lead to buying high and selling low, the cardinal sin of investing. When a stock's price is soaring, it's tempting to jump on the bandwagon, fearing that you'll miss out on the gains. Conversely, when a stock's price plummets, it's easy to panic and sell at a loss. Price-focused investors often end up buying at the peak of market euphoria and selling at the depths of despair. Focusing on value, not price, allows you to make rational investment decisions based on a company's long-term prospects. It's like buying a car based on its reliability, fuel efficiency, and safety features, rather than its color or the latest gadgets. Value-oriented investors are like skilled mechanics, able to identify well-built machines that will perform reliably for years to come. Long-term investing is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. It's about building wealth steadily over time, not chasing quick profits or trying to time the market. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it into a mighty oak, knowing that it takes time and care to reach its full potential. We've explored the key principles of long-term investing, from the power of compounding to the importance of diversification. We've learned from the wisdom of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, who has built his immense fortune by investing in solid companies and holding on to them for the long haul. We've seen how patience and discipline can help you weather market storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Remember, value trumps price. Focus on the underlying value of a company, not just its current market price. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, sustainable competitive advantages, and long-term growth potential. These are the companies that are most likely to reward you with substantial returns over time. If you're ready to embark on the journey of long-term investing, remember to like and subscribe to this video. We'll continue to explore the world of investing together, sharing insights, strategies, and practical tips to help you build a secure financial future. Join us as we unlock the secrets of long-term wealth creation. Patience is key in long-term investing. It's about building wealth steadily over time. Like a garden, investments need time to grow and bear fruit. The market has its seasons, and patience lets you reap rewards. Long-term investing builds a solid foundation for your future. Participate in economic growth and benefit from it. Focus on the long term to ride out market fluctuations. The market is like a roller coaster with highs and lows. Stay invested for the long haul to enjoy the ride. Patience helps you weather storms and seize new opportunities. Compounding generates powerful growth over time. Time is your greatest ally in investing. Plant early, and your investments will grow strong. Long-term investing is more than just a strategy. It's a mindset. Shift your focus from short-term gains to long-term growth. Embrace the journey, not just the destination. Continuous learning and adaptation are key. Navigate changing waters, adjust your course, diversify your investments, mitigate risk, and protect your portfolio. Like and subscribe for more insights and tips.